Hey, this is a quick update regarding yesterday. To all of you who responded to the call of the prayers, I thank you all from the bottom of my heart. Yesterday was very hard. Hard is not the word. It was difficult. It was exhausting. I have never been on trial before where I had to be cross-examined. I want you all to know that the judge has not rendered any judgment because there were 3 separate contempt motions that were heard and 1 child support modification. For those of you who do not know, I am the one who wound up paying him. What really got me were just a couple of moments. 1, my son John was present in the courtroom. That hurt. And why that hurt so much is because in our court order, the children are not supposed to know what happens in court. But apparently that doesn't apply to my ex-husband. The religion did come up, and I don't know what the judge is going to say. Spiritual baths came up. Ilekas weren't even mentioned. They asked also about whether I forced my child to be in a class of the dead. The judge was giving me like, what is going on? And when I said it's the ancestors, it's part of our traditions, I don't understand why I'm even being asked anything like this. That was interesting. He expects me to go to jail. He expects me to pay his legal fees, which are now $14,000. In the bank yesterday, I have negative $33. I don't know how this is going to happen. I can't afford an attorney. But he said, oh, well, I can't afford an attorney. And I'm like, well, why are you sitting there? But I didn't say that, of course. But like, you chose her. I'm here trying to defend myself. There were a lot of moments. But here's one for you. I got to ask him questions, whether he had ever received any money for spiritual readings. He said no. I asked him the question on whether he had ever received money for spiritual work. He said no. Had he ever received money for initiations? He said no. Does he ever receive money from the Egbe, his church? He didn't know what I was talking about. I pray that Egun, Orisha, especially Ochosi Chango, will shed the light. I had my PayPal bank statements there, but that wasn't even seen. It was a very difficult day, and I don't have any answers for you. Obviously, I'm not in jail. I've been going through a very difficult time. They asked me about my injuries, and I had to say, I had several fractures in my back. So I haven't been back full time. Every single penny that I made was put to question, but none of his. No. He just doesn't make anything other than Social Security. It was disheartening to hear that under oath he lied. And I didn't know how to defend that. I tried, but I don't know if it was heard. So you know what? I don't know what's going to happen. Yesterday was hard. I've tried my best to be a good mom. Of course, the children were discussed. I don't want to discuss what happened with them. My little one was not there. I upheld the order as I normally do. It was disheartening. When I tell people, you don't know why people don't sometimes come up against a scammer in the religion, because you don't know the price they're paying. And just you feeling sorry for them is not enough when they're getting those hits. Like, I'm sorry doesn't cut it for me, because it doesn't help me live. Does that make sense? I am grateful for the prayers of everyone. And I am grateful for the concern. As a person that is going through this, I will say to those who have been victims either of my ex-husband or any other person who has not behaved according to a higher standard in the religion, pray to your eguns. They see, they know the truth. They know what's going on. Seek help. Don't keep quiet. Help may come. Be open to it. And as I was told yesterday, you did the best that you could with what you had. You're not an attorney. I'm not an attorney. I did what I could. So this isn't over yet. For all of you prayer warriors out there, this isn't over. The judge still has to make his ruling. I pray, I ask, I implore the community to still pray for me, that the judge may be fair, that the judge may be free from, I'm sure, the 500 abos that are on him to sway it to his side. I pray that you help me to pray that he makes a decision that is fair and will be to the benefit of the children, while still considering the parents. I'm not his bank, but apparently I'm supposed to be his bank account, his secretary, his permanent reminder of everything, and I'm supposed to still be submissive to his responses while I am constantly under attack. I was told recently, you've changed. This experience changes you. You never come out the same, and you shouldn't come out the same. I'll say, please pray to strengthen all the spirits involved, all the entities. May Orisha see and do what they need to do. This is not over, I know. And I don't know what is going to happen, but I wanted to give you guys an update. Let me know what your thoughts are. I just don't want to reveal just way too much. Although it is public knowledge for all of you sleuths out there. It is completely public knowledge on what happened yesterday. I am not as exhausted as last night. My soul was aching to see John Jr. in the room and to see him listening to me defend my rights to be a mom. That was hard. I pray that you keep me in your prayers. I pray that I still have the strength to continue one day at a time. And I am grateful to you all for your messages, your thoughts. I saw them. Thank you. All right, I will talk to you. Bye.